Hi students, here we shall learn oxidation state in transition elements. What is oxidation state? ஒரு ஆட்டம் இன்னொரு ஆட்டம் கூட பாண்ட் ஆகும்போது in their outermost shell உள்ள எலக்ட்ரானை they have to lose, gain or share. அப்படி how many electrons involved in sharing, in losing or in gaining? We call that oxidation state. Here this is the outermost shell in the D1 to 10, NS1 to 10. Usually we see transition elements are half filled. But now in transition elements outermost shell அதாவது இந்த transition elementsல s orbitals first fill ஆயிரும், then only the d orbitals are filling. See the first s orbitals எல்லாம் fill ஆயிட்டு அப்புறம் தான் d orbitals fill ஆகும். But here in transition elements, these shall also will involve. The reason is the energy gap between D shell and the S shell is very less. That is why here we have various oxidation state. You see, various, so many we have +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. We have a various oxidation state in transition elements. What is various oxidation state? Here you see, for example, lithium have only Li plus oxidation state. And sodium have only 1. And whereas ferrous you see, Fe2 plus we have and also Fe3 plus we have. And whereas in copper, Cu plus, Cu2 plus we have. What is the reason for this various oxidation state? The reason for the various oxidation state is unpaired electrons. So these are the various oxidation state. Now look at the page number 106. See the oxidation state in 3D series. Scandium plus 3, titanium they have +4, 5, 3, 2, vanadium 5, 4, 3, 2, chromium 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and manganese have the maximum oxidation state. And after manganese it is getting reduced, ferrous and copper, nickel and cobalt. You see copper we have only +2 and +1 oxidation state. That's what I have given you here. You see scandium they have a 21 and the outermost shells are 3d1 and 4s2. Because in the outermost they have 3 electrons. So S2 electrons, d orbital 1 electron. And whereas titanium got the outermost electron 4. So here in Ns2 and 3d2. And vanadium have 5. You see S2 and d3. And whereas chromium and this copper is exceptional. And here you see chromium is half filled and this copper is fully filled. Whereas they are supposed to fill 3d9 but they fill 3d 10, and here only S is only 1. So it goes like that. So therefore they have a various oxidation state. Children, there can be a question, which is the element have only one oxidation state or only 3 as a oxidation state? Which is the element? Scandium. And which have plus 1 oxidation state, that is copper. Copper is having plus 1. Suppose can ask which is having maximum oxidation state. You see, manganese. Manganese having maximum oxidation state. And in this oxidation state we see first from degrees lerundu increase ஆகுது towards middle, that is manganism, it is maximum oxidation state, then it keeps decreasing. Now to find out the maximum oxidation state, what should we do? We should add, that is unpaired d electronayum s orbital உள்ள electronayum add பண்ணா we can get the maximum oxidation state. But it doesn't work with chromium and copper. Now listen, the oxidation state increase with number of electron. அதாவது number of electron, you see, number of electrons increase ஆகும்போது the oxidation state also increase. See here is less and 3, here it's 4, 5. So as the number of electron increase, ஒவ்வொரு யூனிட்லையும் அந்த electrons increase ஆகும்போது oxidation state also increase. And it decrease. அது எப்போ டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும்? இந்த ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட் எப்போ டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும்? as the number of paired electron increase. எப்போ paired electron increase ஆகுதோ அப்போ ஆக்சிடேஷன் state will decrease. எப்போ number of electrons increase ஆகுதோ அப்போ oxidation state also will increase. Hence first and last degrees, the oxidation state வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லையும் லாஸ்ட்லையும் degrees ஆகும். For example scandium and copper. And middle increase, example manganese.